This is brother, cousin brother. Here today anyway, I'm gonna show you how to make blackened duck on the barbecue. Today we're gonna be using, I have my thermometer and I get the meat hook, but we won't be using that for this. Today I get already I went and used the barbecue to forget a couple chunks. Okay, I'll be going. For this process, we're gonna be using cherry wood. Brazilian cherry wood, where it come from? Brazil, I guess. Anyways, we break it up real good because we don't really want a fire, yeah? Of course, we're gonna have a little fire, but when I close the lid, it goes out and becomes smoke and just smolder and smolder. We want that. That's what we want. Oh yeah. So anyways, almost ready for get these stuffs together here. Gotta put our bigger chunks on top of the little branches, yeah, because we really want that smoke. That's how we get the duck black and smoked at the same time. We don't really want to cook them all the way through. Basically, this is the process with a smoker inside the duck cavity and get that delicious sweet cherry wood flavor, bruh. I'm telling you, this is the way to do it. You get out the barbecue. I mean we call this kindling. Not what you see there, but the torch that's lighting them is the kindling, see? Yeah! That's how, yeah. Okay, so you want to close the lid and voila, you're gonna have good smoke the kind. Yeah! Okay, yeah, so, and then you want to make sure to do a timer on this one. So you want to come back out in 20, what the hell, hey, boy, you fucker, you, why? Okay, so you want to set them for at least 20 minutes. Sometimes I do them for a half hour. So meanwhile, while that process is going on, I like to make the stuffing, yeah, and you know, stovetop stuffing's good stuff. I saute the onions and garlic and all kinds of stuffs in it, and then I pour it into the broth, yeah, the broth. I do the broth, yeah, the chicken broth. It's good stuff. It go really good, yeah. And then I like add my own croutons, you know. These are good croutons. I made the bread, the sourdough bread, and it was a little tougher than I like, so I went and made homemade croutons. So I mix plenty in there, bro. They almost burnt right on the edge. It's just really brown, and I add lots of Parmesan when I do the croutons. So yeah, and then you kind of just mix that in there, you know, real careful, like, don't want to make a big old mess. And so, what the hell, I just gonna dump the whole thing in, but why not, yeah? And you want to make sure you get them in the bowl and not all over the place. You know, it's easy for this one to fall out of the bowl during the mixing process. You see how I'm doing it? Yeah, I scoop from the side towards the middle. Yeah, you want to get that juice all over the broth and all the onions. You want a good mix, yeah. Shouldn't be having to mix it again after the process. Oh yeah, this is good. So you cover them for about 20 minutes, and this is what you get after, bruh. Look at that. Oh no, delicious. I also add walnuts. So onions, garlic, walnuts is very critical for the crunch flavor, bruh. Not just them. Can't just depend on them croutons, you know, they soften up. And then I gotta get the pan for, oh shit, what the fuck? Oh, that could have been bad. So anyways, I gotta clean your mess right away. Not good to have a messy kitchen, bring rats and cockroaches, yeah? So then we go back out of the barbecue, and oh, look at that duck, bro. I'm telling you, it's oh no, bro. But it's not done yet. I still gotta put them in the oven after I stuff them with the crisp stuffings, bro. I tell you. Oh yeah, look, see, all burnt down to nothing. I didn't waste nothing, bruh. I usually put the tongs on there, burn off the extras, and now the stuffing goes inside the duck. So look, this is what it looked like when it's all done. Everything's said and done. It's been cooked. And I know you think it's burnt, right? Well, check this out, bruh. I'm telling you, this shit is juicy, bruh. Look at this. Oh, yeah. Oh no flavor, bruh. Oh, yeah. You know that, bruh. Look at that. The wing. Oh, the skin is the best part of the duck anyway. What you say, brother? So hey, brother Randy, you think you're good? All right.